a game where you say one thing but do another. For example, if I'm mixing a cake, Laurie asks,
"What are you doing?"
"I'm combing my hair." Then Laurie combs her hair and Sioned asks,
Laurie, what are you doing?
"I'm running."
So Sioned runs and I ask, Sioned, what are you doing?
I'm cooking a pancake.
Ooh, okay.
"Dwynwen, what are you doing?"
I'm sewing.
Laurie, what are you doing?
"I'm driving."
Sioned, what are you doing?
I'm juggling.
"Dwynwen, what are you doing?"
I'm ironing.
Laurie, what are you doing?
"I'm drinking a cup of tea."
What are you doing, Sioned?
I'm washing my hair.
"Dwynwen, what are you doing?"
I'm typing.
Laurie, what are you doing?
"I'm dancing."